This video is on setting up the mini module, the mini calendar on DP Calendar, and we're using Joomla 3.1.5 and DP Calendar 3.2.1 for this demonstration. So we have in our listing of extensions modules is our listings here, and here's the DP Calendar Mini. If I didn't have one here, or if I wanted to create another one, I could always click on the new button at the top and select it from the list. But we have one here, so let's go ahead and click that one and bring it up. And first thing we want to do, let's keep the title the same. DP Calendar Mini is fine. You might want to do something different, but we need to select a position, and we're using a default template of Protostar. Let's pick the right side, position 7, and we're going to publish. Now standard things here for Joomla, and let's go to options, and we can select different calendars. Well, this calendar actually has nothing in it, but we're going to select two other ones, the company calendar, and we're going to select the holidays, US holidays. So those will show, and we're going to look at this compact events. There are 3 settings here, and we're going to leave it at single for now. Week starts on Sunday. We can adjust that, and then the format, month and year, and then down here is the time. So this is US format. European format would be capital H, :I, and then that would be it. The A is for AM or PM, lowercase. If I put a capital A, it'll be uppercase. The height of the calendar, now you can only make this calendar so small. It needs so much space to make it work. So actually the height is to make it a taller calendar more than a smaller calendar. We can adjust the color of the calendar. I'm going to leave it where it is for today, just a little bit easier to deal with, so we'll just leave it there. Advanced options, again, we can set up some suffix. We can make up some template styling here, but we're not going to worry about that today. So we've gone ahead and hooked up the module, and we can assign it to all the pages or just some of the pages. We're going to leave it at all pages for now. Let's hit save, and then we will go back to our calendar to see how that turned out. Now I didn't put in here, I'm going to hit F5 to refresh. I didn't put in where it belongs in this stack, so I might have to move it on the side here, but here it comes in right pretty much where I want it, so things work out. Now we had it in as a single event, so it just has the one event. I hover over it, and there it is. Now let's try changing that and see what different settings we can get. So this was on the options, and let's pick the top one. It says compact events yes, and hit save. And then again, let's switch back to our calendar. We'll hit F5, and we'll see what that one looks like. In this case, it's just showing the blue square outline that there's an event, but it doesn't show that they're different colors. It's just one color. Now let's switch again and try that last choice, which was compact events and then no. We'll hit save, and now let's look at how that comes out on our calendar, and we'll push F5 again to refresh our calendar, and this time it should show us the actual event written out here. So it's showing up similar to our full-size calendar, but we see that it doesn't have as much room. So this is a good display if we're going to put it on a larger area. This is really not big enough. If we decided to move that to the footer, and maybe it was down here at the bottom and took up half of the space, maybe that would be a good way to use this one. But you have 3 options, and you can pick the one that works for you and the one that looks best for you. So that's installing the mini module for DP Calendar.